Hello friends, today Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman has announced the Union Budget 2021. Let us discuss the key takeaway for the corporates from the budget. No change is proposed in the direct tax rates. Dispute Resolution Committee introduced for small taxpayers, which will reduce the litigation. Previous year, dividend distribution tax was abolished and tax on dividend was introduced in the hands of shareholders. This year, to provide ease, TDS deduction on dividend has been omitted. Further, the advance tax liability on dividend will arise only after declaration or payment of dividend. Tax audit limit has been increased from 5 crore to rupees 10 crore. This is only for 95% digitalized business. Small companies have been redefined. Now companies with paid up capital up to rupees 2 crores and turnover up to rupees 20 crores will cover under the definition of small companies. Approx 50 lakhs companies will be benefited with this change and can avail the privileges provided for small companies. Finance Minister has taken note of the various representations sent by the various professionals and accordingly revamp of MCA portal has been proposed. Now MCA 21 version 3.0 will be launched. This new version is proposed to provide services of e-adjudication, e-compliance, e-scrutiny and e-consultation. Decriminalization of LLP Act has been proposed. This will boost the incorporation of LLPs once again. A one-person company incorporation and process has been relaxed. Now OPC can be incorporated without any paid-up capital restrictions. Further, foreign nationals' participation through formation of OPC has been promoted by reducing the residential criteria from 182 days to 120 days. This means a person having resided in India during previous year for at least 120 days can incorporate an OPC. Foreign participation in insurance sector promoted by increasing the FDI limit from 49% to 74%. Finance Minister has announced much awaited IPO of LIC, which will come shortly. Thanks for watching. This update is brought to you by SSAS and Associates LLP.